And we are back, guys, for episode 3, I think, of Happy Wheels. Alright, so in the last episode we did that one and that one, but I had to, before them two, I had to close my whole thingy down because the thing kind of broke. But yeah, Swing to Hell by Rage Puppy 18. This level was a fast project, so it is short, so enjoy. Got it. What was it even called? Swing. I'll be him. Oh, lovely. Swing to hell. Oh, broken one of my arms already. Eee. Uh-oh. There's a leg. Here. Okay. Can you just rip off your stupid arm? Whee! Oh, lovely. Oh, what the heck? Oh, lovely. Yeah. No. Well, my body is dead. Cleaning my heart. Thank you. Okay. Last try. And I'm not like Tobuscus that keeps saying last try. I mean, this is my last try. Whee! Superman. Oh, both my arms ripped off. Lovely. HGRB. HBRG. Melanin Bill. Let's go. How is this? 2 people have played it and it's got 5 stars. Okay. No idea what that says. Whee! I have no idea what this says, so I'm just gonna go straight past it. Ooh, yeah. This really isn't funny. I mean scary. Melanin Bill, what does that mean? Epic level! Eden plays AJ123. My first level. You know this is gonna be bad. No one has played it. I am the first to play. Well, you can't win. Lovely, it's gonna make my game crash. I am not gonna play that one above because look, it's in a different language again. So I'm gonna do an arrow run. Let's go. Watch out for the hobos by A7 Blue. What was it? Arrow run. Okay. Lovely. Just lovely. Alright, let's go. Wait for the screen to load. It's gonna make... Okay, let's go. You can't get me, Harpoon. Okay, yes you can. Woo! Yay. Come on, I must go further than my bike. Lovely. Again, lovely. The Falling Ceiling by Pure 88321. Obstacle Fall 1.1 replay. Awards. The base fastest competition time. Whatever that says. Let's go. Irresponsible dad. Okay, I'm probably not going to read this. See the block above your head? It's about to save your life. The ceiling is falling, and when you press the little button at the end of the corridor, the block will become fixed and will stop you from being crushed. Touch the purple button in front of you to begin. This can only be counted as a win if you do not get crushed. the heck? What does that arrow mean? I don't know. Minigames by Diego Island PL. Minigames. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Please don't kill me. Woohoo! Oh, now I'm dead. Great. Just great. Let's go, bro. Yeah. Why does that always... Oh my gosh, that's horrible. My heart was just flying. Now there it is, flying again. Lovely. Just lovely. Hardcore Paul. Oops, no, not Hardcore Paul. Hardcore Harpoon Run by Skilton Bro. Welcome to Hardcore Harpoon Run. This is my 3rd level. You not win. Ha ha ha. By Lawnmower Man. Oh my gosh. I'm not even gonna bother pausing. Get out the way. It's not that hard, seeing as I've got a massive lawnmower. I'm dead. Look where I landed. Really win. Okay. Once more. Take that back. Oh fuck. Oh, I just got lawnmowered. Spike ball. And I get to the finish. Again. Dead. Lovely. Alright guys, that is the end of episode 3. I believe. Happy Wheels. I can't remember what I said at the start. I think it's 3 of Happy Wheels. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like. Subscribe if you have an account. Please. You fat lady, will you subscribe? I hope you damn do, bitch.